This is what I have been waiting for with Queensland. We're literally so close to the ocean. Just gonna go and throw a few lures, see how we go.
This is absolutely beautiful.
G'day, we are Bo Maddie and this is Luna. We've ditched the 9 to 5 to chase our dreams of travelling Australia. Come with us as we explore this incredible country.
Welcome back. How the bloody hell are you going? We are here in Mission Beach area. We've just rocked up to, is this South Mission Beach?
Yeah, South Mission Beach, yep.
We've literally just rocked up, dropped off the caravan, and we're getting straight into it. We've only got 24 hours here. This is what I've been waiting for with Queensland this whole time, and let me tell you, it is just stunning. We actually left do you say it Caravan?
Caravan, I thought.
Caravan. We've just left Caravan Beach. Down to here, we got told we have to stop here because it is stunning, and it hasn't disappointed. This is wicked.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
Alright, would you have a go at this? We're up at Clump Point Lookout. Look at how stunning this view is. So good that we finally got some lovely weather and nice blue water to look out. This is absolutely beautiful. Mission Beach, putting on the goods for us so far.
Mistake. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
Honestly, just down here on this beach, there's no one else with us. Like a little cove right on the water. You got some rocks. Even better, behind us you got this jetty. You can go fishing, spend the day here. What a ripper. The water's still gorgeous. You get to watch the boats come in and out. You can bloody spend the day here and just be happy as Larry, I reckon. In town is very busy, very populated, cafes and stuff like that. So if you're looking for a nice quiet little spot, this one here at this little jetty, I think it's bloody beautiful still. And you're a little bit left alone, which, win-win. That's a win for me. I like it. We're going to enjoy the view, chill out for a bit, and you're coming with us, baby. You'll know where we head next, because this will be pointing at me or it. So, stick around. Well, good bloody morning. It's the next day, and we've learned that there's a market on. So we've headed down to the main area in Mission Beach and go and have a look. We've just driven bloody past. Looks like there's heaps on offer, so pretty excited for this one. Let's get into it, go and suss it out, and then we're heading to the beach, baby.
It was so great not to only have that beautiful blue water, but to finally get to share some great beach time with Luna. It looks like we weren't the only ones who loved Mission Beach. As we do travel with Luna, we thought it was worth mentioning that everywhere we do stay is dog friendly, as are most of the things we go do and see. Unfortunately, it was time to move on from Mission Beach and make our way down the coast. Along the way, we stopped at this great little free rest stop for the night before continuing our journey towards the next camp. On the way to the next stop, we drove through this gorgeous little town called Cardwell. We just had to pull over, take a look around, go for a little walk. It was a little too out of our budget to stay, but this place was absolutely breathtaking. The next stop on the list was Hinchinbrook Lookout. Would you have a look at that view? Moving on, that brings us to where we are now, Forrest Beach.
You're probably not going to be able to see, but the caravan is literally 100 metres back there. We are in Forrest Beach, with the beach it's just down from the road from us. We are stoked. This is so cool. We've decided we're going to stay the maximum of 3 nights here. We're at like a little council run place. All the facilities that you need to stay off grid. So stoked with this town. It's pretty beautiful. There's lots of dogs around. Great facilities right down here at the beach. How gorgeous is that for a backdrop? I love it. And only 15 bucks a night. Stop it. Seriously, I just love it. A nice, cheap place to stay with these views, this water. When the water is up, this little bit higher, it just looks absolutely gorgeous. It's got those blues and greens, and then the hills in the background. When it did get down a little bit lower, it didn't look as pretty, don't get me wrong. So, but I still think it looks pretty mint, to be honest. What a spot. I've got to say, I know fires are devastating and terrible, but when it's sunset time and there's a little bit of smoke around, gosh, you can put on a good show, hey? Have a go at how gorgeous the sun going down is.
The next day.
Alright, so it is move on day, guys. So exciting. We've spent 3 days here at Forrest Beach and they have been absolutely amazing. It's been so relaxing, peaceful, good weather. I was able to catch up on a fair bit of work, so that's always a bonus. But yeah, we're gonna head about 80 k's south today to another little beach spot. So this one's free, so fingers crossed it's good. But yeah, we'll see you there.
We've made it to Balgal, I think that's how you say it. That's how we were told anyway. What a ripper little spot. Honestly, this is free. You do have to book here in Queensland at some sites online just to still secure your spot. And that obviously means that people that haven't booked, they'll potentially get kicked out or whatever. I think the ranger comes around and checks it. We're literally so close to the ocean. Just incredible. And they've got some awesome facilities here. Barbecues, seats to sit down on, toilets. There's also a little jetty down there to go for a flick. What a little spot. You're allowed 2 days here too. I didn't say that. My apologies. But 2 days you're allowed. Pretty cool. Would you have a go at this? The old girl's gone, messed up. What have you done, darling? Please fill us in.
What a great start to the morning. I was just filling up the sugar into the container and it all spilt down there. No. We were able to sweep most of it out, but what do you do? We're just gonna suck it all up in the trusty vacuum so that we don't get ants.
Loud. That's a loud vacuum. It's the next day. We're still here in Balgal and they've got this little jetty, so, well, pontoony jetty type thing. So I'm gonna go try my luck. I haven't checked the tides or anything like that. Just gonna go and throw a few lures, see how we go. Wish us luck, all right? You know what it's like. I'm shocking. To start with, I'm gonna go my trusty, buy the Halco. It's the 20 gram redhead silver. It's the only thing I've caught something on, to be honest, with our lures. So let's flick this around, see how we go. I don't know if I should be standing that close to the edge. I forgot we're in croc territory too. I've switched lure, alright, but I just wanted you to know, for the people who have been around for a long time, I checked and they're not rusty, alright? They will hook it. I don't know if you can see in the background, but the tide's coming in. So there's a whole heap of foam like coming in and like just stuff to eat for the fish. So I thought, you know, my luck's going to change here. It hasn't, but let's keep going. Tossing it around, see how we go. Do you reckon it's just me? If somebody comes down here and stands beside me and hooks one, it's going to be a whole heap of free fishing gear, I reckon. G'day, how you going? We've made it to Townsville. I'm very excited.
Townsville, baby.
Where'd she come from? We are very excited to be exploring. I have a really good mate here that we're stopping for a week to explore the area. Hopefully we get some hot tips from them and get out and about. As you can see, we're in a caravan park. We are very fortunate that a family member actually had a Big 4 voucher that they couldn't use by the end of the year. So pass on to us. Winning. I ain't going to complain about that. So a week of power, a week of beautiful weather. Let's get into it and explore this great area together because it looks stunning. Let's jump straight in. Let's not keep fluffing about. What are you waiting for? Oh, I'm the one that's meant to change the video. Sorry. Hang tight. 2 seconds. Let's go. We're going to suss out Mount Stewart. I got it right, I was actually shocked at that. Mount Stewart Lookout. We're a long way up. She's a windy old track up, but let me tell you, we're not even at the proper lookout yet. What a view. This is where we parked. and we're going to be walking along and checking out the viewpoints. Alright, stop number 1 on the little loop around this Stewart Mount Lookout. On the Mount Stewart Lookout. Wow, there is a bit of a haze in the background and stuff like that, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Let's spin you around. So we're overlooking the whole city of Townsville here, just incredible. Just down here is like the massive army barracks. Let me tell you, that is a lot bigger than I expected. Holy gamoly. And in the background is Magnetic Island. That's all I actually know. I don't know much of Townsville, sorry, so I know that one and that one. But pretty cool. She's a big old place, a lot bigger than I expected.
Much bigger than I expected.
Alright, that's it for the Mount Stewart Lookout, and let me tell you, absolutely gorgeous. If you are coming up here, it's definitely worth it. Seriously, come up. Even if you literally go to that first stop and then come back so you're not going over the rocks, well worth it. It is absolutely beautiful. And to see the whole city, what a view, what a viewpoint. Stick around, let's see what we get up to next. Alright, we are heading to Magnetic Island. Come with us as we explore it. Let's get into it.
A few moments later.
We've made it to Maggie Island. Yeah. It was a bit choppy out there. I said these spots were going to get wet. No one believed me. It's ringing.
After that eventful ferry ride, it was time to hop on a bus and head on over to Picnic Bay for a well-earned drink. After our thirsts were quenched, tummies were full, and we'd had a bit of time to dry off, we went for a little wander out to the old jetty. Let's just say it was a tad windy out there. Check out Bo's hair. We then jumped back on the bus to go check out the other side of the island.
Alright, we're here at Magnetic Island. We've been told it's a very local hot spot for the people of Townsville coming over. So our mates have brought us over, and we are very happy we have it. It's been great exploring around the area, hey?
Yeah, just a lovely chill day, lots of drinking.
We've had a few beers, mate, nothing crazy. It's been lovely, hey? Absolutely loved it. Over the other side, it was very windy. On the way in, we got absolutely drenched. You'll see that. It was flopping hilarious. But now we've come over to the other side and we are at Horseshoe Bay. And it's absolutely gorgeous, hey? You'll see the footage, it is just stunning, the yachts in the background. What a great little spot. Bam, just like that, we're back from Magnetic Island. We didn't film because it got very dark very quickly.
Yeah.
Beautiful trip. It was really nice over there. Do I recommend it to other travellers that are like caravanning? I don't know. It's definitely a great local spot. So it cost us $39 each to get over there on the ferry return, and then it was $9.90 for an all-day pass with the boat.
The buses.
With the buses, sorry. Yep. So I don't know. It was gorgeous, but everywhere we go is gorgeous. So it's one of those expenses. If it's a thing on your list, definitely tick it off because it was beautiful.
Yeah, it was lovely. It's peaceful. There was lots of bars and like places to sit and eat and chat and relax. Like it was a really good relaxing spot. It was. Yeah, it was just a lot of money to get there.
It was. So would I do it again? Maybe not, being a little bit of a tight. All right, but we are going to wrap this up here now. So thank you so much for sticking with us. What a journey, hey? We've seen, I've got to say, Mission Beach would have to tick my box of my favourite place on the coast so far. Just that beautiful water, hardly anybody there. Like we had the beach to ourselves, which is just crazy. And it was just gorgeous with those mountains in the background. How good, I don't know how to explain it other than I really loved it. But I'm super excited to keep going down on this journey, going down further south. We're heading to Bowen, so in the next video come with us because I'm very excited about this one. It's been, since I read about it, quite up there on my list because it sounds amazing. So let's hope that it's not overhyped in the books and it is just as good. You are an absolute legend. Look, we thank you so much for your support. If you buy our products and stuff like that, keeping us on the road, it means the absolute world. You don't have to by any means, but it really does mean so much to us. And it just gives us so much excitement to stay on the road, keep this journey going, hopefully providing some entertainment and some knowledge along the way for you guys, which is what we want it to all be about, building that community and supporting each other. So we can't thank you enough. Like, gets us a bit emotional every time an order comes through, or your kind words, like, you know, and all your support can be for free. Following us, following the journey, telling your friends, liking, commenting. It really does so much for the journey that we're on, and we appreciate it so much, more than you'll ever know, I guess. But yeah, bloody love you guys. And if you see us out and about, we've had some incredible experiences where people have pulled us up, and I have absolutely loved it. So please, if you see us out and about, pull us up, say g'day, and just have a yarn, because we absolutely love it. You're like-minded people. We know we're going to get along. So do it, please. It means the world. And again, it's just one of those things that we absolutely love. Thanks for coming on the journey. That's enough from me. You're a bloody legend. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Not sure what that was, but we're going. I'll turn you around. Let's get into it, rather than me yip yapping. She got those beautiful, I'll get that out in a second.
So I can't fall.
Explore this awesome area.
How exciting.
I'm not sure what she does. I think she just doesn't know what to do when I put the camera in front of her. And that's why you get so excited. Ooh. It's weird. I know. I'm hearing you. It's just I get it. We're little gypsies, mate. No point crying over spilt sugar. Did you want to say goodbye to Looney? All right. Well, you're a big kid, aren't you? Hey, you ready for sleep?